How to see saved passwords on Opera. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can see saved passwords on Opera. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Opera GX in your device. After you have opened it up, now navigate to the settings icon. You will find the settings icon on this menu bar on your left hand side of the screen. So head towards the settings and then click on settings. Now under settings, you have to scroll all the way to the end and there is an advanced option, so click on advanced. Now under advanced, again scroll down and there is the password manager. You have to click on it. After that, if you have saved any of your passwords on Opera GX, you will find all of your passwords right in this section. So here I have saved my Facebook password. In order to view the password, you have to click on the Facebook and here you will see your password along with your username. If you want to view the password, click on this eye icon right here and then you will be able to see the password. If you want to delete it, simply click on delete, or if you wish to edit, click on edit button and then you can edit it. So that's how you can find password on Opera GX, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.